Hi, Ashish. Welcome to the Partner AI Forum.
Thank you.
We'd love to have the opportunity for you to introduce yourself to our audience.
Sure. My name is Ashish Gupta, based out of Chicago. I take care of the sales and GTM for North America.
Amazing. Thank you again for joining us today. I have a series of some questions that I would love to ask you if you're ready.
Sure. Go ahead.
Perfect. So the first one, so beyond your professional life, what is a personal hobby or passion of yours that you think AI could supercharge?
I live and breathe Google. So even my wife says I'm a Google brand ambassador. And as a personal Gemini subscriber, I felt one of the very strong AI game changer. What I've seen is Google Fitbit Air, which I use
love
it.
this. Yes.
Yeah.
I completely agree.
And the inbuilt coach actually helps you in creating a very personalized workout, takes care of all the food intakes, what you're doing. So it's a great fitness coach itself as a part of it, which is changing the life for much better.
Great. And here at Google, we incorporate AI into all of our products and solutions. So I'm glad that you're a fan.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm sure.
So moving to a little bit more of our business question. So everyone is talking about agentic AI right now. How are you helping your customers use Gemini, not just to catch up on the trend, but to actually future-proof their business to 2027 and beyond?
Sure. So we are actually moving beyond the pilot stage. And if you will see, we have created 200 plus custom agents across industries. We have 50 plus available on the marketplace, Google Marketplace. So everything which we are doing right now, looking at what customer is actually leaning towards, in fact, in terms of how they want to utilize these services.
Great.
And in every solutions which we are building, Gemini Enterprises are at the core heart of it. Now, future proofing is not just one clever agent as a part of it. So it's the whole operating model is what we are building, where you have the domain expertise, the Gemini Enterprise, plus the factories which is about to create the agents every time as things moves. What it means is as the technology shifts, our customer also goes along with that and not to rebuild this whole thing again after 18 months. So that's the kind of a model and the operating model which we are focusing on.
That's great. And a follow-up to that one, is there a specific customer mindset that you've needed to shift or adjust to avoid any friction points at the beginning?
Well, it does, yeah. So customer has a lot of options, so to say in that way. But working with them in terms of having a workshop, telling them what exactly works, why Google is advanced leader in this particular area helps a lot in shaping their mind, because they may be having so many choices, but the way we showcase some of these things with the demo and the way it is happening on the ground is actually changes a lot as a part of it. So yes.
Fantastic. And I know Genpact has a lot of proof points around this. So thank you for the lean in.
We do.
Last question. So every industry has its own notorious headaches. How is Gemini serving as a painkiller for you for your specific sector or industry right now?
So I'll talk about the one where Genpact has a very sweet spot. And we are known to be a BPO, BPS company where we decided to pivot from that particular angle and move towards an agentic AI company. Now, with this, we have a offering called Finance One.
Great.
And which is industry agnostic. But if you look at the finance world itself, it is a very manual, laborious driven kind of a work where it's very calendar driven, cycle closer, reporting. All those things happen with a lot of time being taken as a part of it. So now, if a CFO needs to know what is the revenue or the margin, he can just quickly go and do a Gemini Enterprise conversation, and he can get an answer right then and there, instead of waiting for weeks or months for a report. So this is where the game changing is actually happening. And what we are doing, we are having a new buying center for Google in this particular area, because we are the leaders in this area,
Great.
which is what is we are collaborating with Google. And you will see a lot of those events is also being planned in upcoming months along with Google to take the CFO offering to various customers in North America as well as global.
Fantastic. So basically taking a manual repetitive task and
Right.
really trying to automate that and also making data more readily available to the
Absolutely.
right stakeholders.
Absolutely, yes.
I love that. That's fantastic. Well, thank you so much, Ashish, for being with us today.
Thank
I
you.
hope you enjoyed the rest of the Partner AI Forum.
Absolutely, my pleasure. Thank you.
Amazing.